How to receive money on PayPal on your desktop browser. Okay, first off, if you want to see more contents or tutorials like this, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Okay, here we go. First off, just open PayPal using whichever browser that you want or you like. As long as it is not Internet Explorer, that shit is obsolete. So from your PayPal dashboard, choose this button, settings button next to the logout. Choose one. Okay. And now as you can see that this one is currently my email. You can request money using this email, or you can also use the username that you are using. It's usually on your profile here. Okay, so and to actually request for money, all you have to do is head to the dashboard again, choose request. Okay, and any account should be able to send money to your PayPal account using that information, your username or your email. That's pretty much how you receive money on PayPal on your desktop browser. If you find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, also make sure to put it on the comment section down below. And that's pretty much the whole tutorial. Until the next tutorial, YouTube, I hope it helps. Bye.